How to zoom in or zoom out in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your CapCut application first, then click on to import and add any project or video that you would like to work on. Once you have added your video or project, it will look something like this. Now, in order to zoom in or zoom out, what you can do is simply click onto your screen from your right hand side, and here you will see an arrow button. You can simply click or drag it up and down, and in order to zoom in, just pinch your screen and do the same of what you would do if it were a phone. Zoom in and zoom out just like this. In case you would like to change its ratio, you can also click onto ratio and make it 9:16, which is a mobile view. And here you can zoom in again. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.